Hi everybody, welcome again to Champion Trading. We're showing you today, this is the Binacchi laboratory soap mixer. As you can see, it's a twin blade paddle type mixer. Has a nice dump grade up top. We're running on 480 volts. We're running right now on the manual function. You'll see in the lower left here, it's a manual and automatic function. When you go to the automatic function, the timer will operate. It has cycling in seconds and minutes. Very nice heavy duty mixer for the densities encountered in soap mixing. Has a safety in the cover that will shut the mixer off when it's running. When you put it back down, you will have to initiate the start cycle again. Discharge is pneumatically operated. So you close in the bottom, open. Very nice, has ample room for a small pail underneath. There you can see the slide gate for the discharge. Main drive on this side with its gear reducer. One of many types of blenders and mixers you'll find in our inventory. And we do hope you'll be visiting our website at www.champtrading.com if you're not there already. And we do thank you for joining us for this video today. And look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.